Welcome back to a new video. In this video we are going to talk about Python dictionaries. It's going to be like a quick tutorial. Let's start coding. Let's create a dictionary. We are going to use curly braces for dictionary creation. Let's create a dictionary with the name of my dictionary. And we will use curly braces, and then we are going to use keys and values. I will say name, and let's say name is going to be honor my name. Let's say age, and age 25. And city, for the city, let's say New York. And after that, here we have our dictionary. We can just print it like my dictionary, and name, age and city are the keys in this dictionary, and honor, 25 and New York are the corresponding values. So keys are values are two components of dictionaries. I'm going to say my dictionary, and if I want to reach to the name, I'm just going to open brackets and I will say name, and I'm going to get honor. Also for age, I need to do my dictionary age like this, and I will get 25, and if I say city, I will get New York like this. We can create dictionaries with dictionary comprehension. So let's say we want to create a dictionary as squared numbers, and we are going to get the squared versions of 1 to 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, they are going to be like 1, 4, 9, 16 and 25. So for that I'm going to open curly braces, then I'm going to say x, then I'm going to say x power of 2, and I'm going to say 4x in range 1 to 6. And after that, let's check how our dictionary looks like. We can see the key and value pairs like this: 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 9, 4, 16 and 5, 25. Okay, we can create dictionaries from two lists. Like, let's set some list like names. It's going to be like Alice, John and Charlie. And after that we can set age. It's going to be a list like 29, 28, 35 and 22. Great. So let's create a dictionary from this. We are going to use dictionary comprehension. I'm going to say name, age, dictionary, and it's going to be name, age for name, age in zip. We are going to use zip function for combining two lists, and after that we can just say name, age, dictionary, and we can see that our list elements matched by their index. Let's talk about how we can filter dictionary items. So let's say we want to get the ones with age greater than 30. So for that I'm going to say age above 30, and after that I'm going to do name, age for name, age in name, age, dictionary items, and after that I'm going to add my condition like if age is greater than 30. And when I run this, we are going to get the John since its age is 35. Okay, let's do a real world example with this. We can use data transformation using dictionary comprehension. So I'm going to say temperature data, and it's going to be like city, and let's say 28, city 2, 32 and city 3, 25. And let's say like converted data is going to be, think it like getting from Celsius to Kelvin, and I'm going to say city, and then I'm going to say temperature multiplied by 9 divided by 5 plus 32 for city temperature in temperature data items. And we can just check converted data, and here we have the values. I don't exactly remember the transformation. I think it was Celsius to Kelvin, but I'm not sure. Also, what this items do is, let's say we have the temperature data in here, and if we call temperature data items, we are going to get the same thing. But in here, with one difference, we see that dictionary items when we call like this, and we get the items in comprehension using items like this. Okay, let's talk about nested dictionary comprehension. For that I'm going to create a matrix like it's going to be multiple lists, like I will say 1, 2, 3. It's going to be a nested list. I'm going to say 4, 5, 6, and then I'm going to say 7, 8, 9. Also, I need brackets instead of braces. I'm just going to add brackets like this, and after that we are ready to go. I'm going to say flattened matrix, and it's going to be, I'm going to use an F string, row E plus index plus 1, and after that I will say column J plus 1, and then I'm going to do matrix index and J for index in range length of the matrix, and after that I'm going to say for J in range length of the matrix, and I will say index in here. So let me show you the code again, and I'm just going to make this cell run, and after that I'm going to call flattened matrix. So here we have row 1 column 1 1, row 1 column 2 2, and it goes like this to row 3 column 3 9. Great. We can also use functions in dictionary comprehension, like let's say define square if a number is an odd number. So I'm going to give number inside this function, and I'm going to say return number squared version if number modulo 2 0, else number. We are filtering the odd numbers in here. We are taking the odd numbers only, not the even ones. And after that we can create a list like original numbers, and it's going to be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and then we can say squared dictionary, and it can be like number square if odd function, and then we will give the number for number in original numbers, and let's see how square dictionary looks like. Great, just like we wanted. You can see that we only get the square of the odd numbers. If it's not an odd number, we only get its value, like 4 4 but 3 9. We get the 3 9, 5 25, 7 49, and 9 81 since they are odd numbers. Let's see how we can filter and map simultaneously. So I'm going to say data is going to be A 10 and B 20, C 30, and D 40. And after that, let's say filtered mapped data is going to be key value multiplied by 2 for key value in data.items, and we can say like if value is greater than 20, and let's get filtered mapped data in here, and we can see that our condition just worked like this. We did multiple operations in here. We multiplied the value by 2 if value is greater than 20. Great. Let's do a final example with conditional expressions. So I'm going to say grades is going to be Alice, and let's say 85, Bob, let's say 92, let's say Charlie 78, and David 95. Also, I need to fix this one in here, and here we have our dictionary. Now we are going to do grade status. Let's say if score is greater than 80, it's going to be pass, else fail. So I'm going to say students, and after that I will say pass if score is greater than, let's add equal to 80, else fail for student, and score in grades dictionary.items. And here it is. So there's a problem. It's going to be student, not students. And now it's going to work smoothly, and when we call the grade status, we are going to see that we have our dictionary. Great, pass, pass, fail, fail. Pass, I'm sorry, pass for David too. Great. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sharing 2 or 3 new videos every week about data science and Python programming. You can subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I shared a free data science bootcamp where I teach Python, pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, Plotly, Seaborn, and scikit-learn with 3 projects. The video is about 7 hours and it's completely free. You can just reach to that video from the card of this video or the link in the description.